Good day all, this is Rocky. I'd like to welcome you to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an FTP server. Now, two questions that you may have. One, what is an FTP server? Now, FTP or File Transfer Protocol is a network protocol used to transfer data from one computer to the other through a network such as the internet. Now, another question we ask is why do I need a FTP server? FTP, which is a file transfer protocol as we heard before, is used for exchanging and manipulating files over any TCP-based computer network. So an FTP client may connect to an FTP server to manipulate files on that server. So say for example you may be at a friend's house or even at work, and you need to get a file or maybe some song, some movie that you have on your home computer. Using FTP server, you can access that file on your PC from that location at home. So the file that is stored on your FTP server at home, you can access it anywhere over the internet. You can simply log on to your FTP server over the internet and retrieve the items. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So first you need to open up your search engine, right? We type in FileZilla, and then you go here to the page, but you go to server download. Alright, so what you're going to be doing is downloading the server file. Right? Now what you can do is obviously look for the Windows, right, the platform which is Windows. I have Windows on mine, so download the, right, and click download. Alright, so we download and we need to install FileZilla. Alright, so we have just successfully downloaded FileZilla. So now that we have our FileZilla server up and running, we go to edit, users. Now what we want to do is add a user that we want to access this server. So you click add, type in, go with admin for now. We have any other groups, click OK, and then we go up to password. So we have the account enabled and we're going to put a password on it, any password that you want. And then from there we go to shared folders. Now this will be all the folders that you want to actually share on the system. Right, so go folder, documents folder, okay. So now that we have shared this folder here, right, you give the actual what you want the user to be able to do. Write to this folder, delete, right, and then you click OK. And then now what we're going to do is try to access the FTP server from within the network. So you go, okay, we go to search for the command prompt, and once you type the command prompt here, we're going to go to ipconfig. Open it up, and what we're going to be looking for is your IP address. So now we go to open up one of the browser, a search engine. So we're going to type FTP // Alright, so that is your private IP address that you have typed in. Click enter, and then it's going to ask you for the username and password. Now once you log on, you have access to all the files, and these are all the files that are stored on this folder that you have. This is the My Documents. So you have access to all these folders here. So if you want, okay, so if you had a thing, now you can actually get the file. Right, so we go to the pet shelter and you can actually get the file open here. Alright, and you can actually open the file and work with it. Okay, so that's how you actually work or get access to the FTP server on your network itself. Right, now what we're going to do now is go and get access to it from another location over the internet itself. Okay, so now we're going to try to access your FTP server from a remote location outside your actual network. So what you need to do is go in to your search engine. Alright, so we bring up the search engine and we will type here IP chicken, HICKEN, alright, IP chicken. You're gonna get this web page here, and it asks for IP chicken, what's my IP address, right? IP address lookup. Now click on that. Alright, so this is your public IP address here. Good. So what you need to do is make sure you have your public IP address, copy it. Alright, then we go back now and we type in your public IP address here. Alright, FTP / put in the public IP address, click enter. Alright, and now what you're going to do, or what you're going to get, is it's going to ask you for your username. Alright, so you have the admin. Alright, so there we go. You have all the information that comes off your FTP server here. Alright, so we have all the files that is on your FTP server, and this is being done over the internet, and you can do this, you know, at a remote area somewhere far away, maybe at work, maybe in an office somewhere in a different city, and you have access here to your FTP server on the files that you have shared. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks very much for looking, and we will be working again with servers in upcoming videos, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.